Hey guys, Paula here. Okay, so DeWalt thought of everything when they created this tool backpack. Number one, it has a stationary LED light that can be used on the outside and the inside pockets of this backpack. Number two, each pocket is designed with your tools in mind, such as a hammer, pliers, screwdrivers, tape measure, wrenches, voltmeter, level, safety glasses, drill bits. I mean, you name it, this backpack can carry it. Number three, it's designed with comfort in mind. It has a padded back, adjustable shoulder straps, and it has optional chest straps that allow you to take your tools to the job site hands-free. Number four, it's durable and it's built tough. Now, we all know that tools are not light, and DeWalt designed this with feet on the bottom of the backpack so that when you set it down, it helps to protect the base of the backpack. And then carrying handles for easy transport from one room to another without having to put on your backpack every single time. Number five, with 57 different pockets and a large interior space, you can easily organize and separate your power tools from your hand tools, allowing you to put everything in one bag rather than having to carry two separate bags when you get to the job site. And number six, using this backpack for 2 years now, the zippers are still in great shape and they easily open and close when needing to grab a tool. Guys, my name's Paula and I thank you for watching. If you felt the review was helpful, please hit the thumb below so others will watch it.